Did you know that big brands spend millions on high-end ad videos to market their products? But here's the game changer. You can create the same level of professional quality ads without a massive budget. Take a look at these commercials from some of the biggest brands out there. These top-tier companies are using AI to generate stunning ads that look just as polished as those made by expensive production teams. Now, imagine approaching these brands and saying, "I can create AI-powered ads for you at a fraction of the cost, with the same professional touch." Sounds like a great opportunity, right? And the best part, you don't need a fancy camera, premium editing software, or a huge production team. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact method to create high-quality commercials using AI. Let's get started. Say I want to make a commercial for this product on Amazon. Before jumping into the video creation process, the first step is planning out a visual plan, the blueprint of how your ad will flow. To create a visual plan, I'll use ChatGPT to help streamline the process. Once you're on ChatGPT, simply type, "Create a visual plan for a lipstick brand's commercial." After that, enter the product name, followed by the product details, and then hit the enter button. And there you have it. ChatGPT instantly provides us with a complete, structured visual plan for the commercial. Now that our visual plan is ready, it's time to turn it into an actual video. For this, I'll be using an incredible AI-powered tool called AI Video, one of the top AI platforms for video production. With this tool, you can generate high-quality videos in just a few seconds. I'll include the link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Once you're on the website, click Get Started and sign up for an account. Now, here we are on the AI Video dashboard. As you can see, this is where all my previously generated videos are stored. To create a new video, we need to start right here. The first step is entering the script for our video. In this section, you'll describe your video. You can enter anything from a simple prompt like, "Create a documentary about the pyramids," to a fully detailed script with shot-by-shot descriptions. Now we're going to paste the entire visual plan we created earlier with ChatGPT right into the script section. The more details you provide, the better the final result will be. Next, it's time to choose the type of media you want to include in your video. Here, you'll see multiple options. The first is AI video, and the second is AI images. If you want to generate custom video clips or images using AI, you'll need to select AI video and AI images accordingly. Next, you'll see two media sources, stock videos and word art. You can use these as needed to enhance your video. For now, I'm going to select AI video. Moving on, we have the visual style section. This is where you choose a specific look for your video, or you can even describe your own custom style. You'll find a variety of options here, including realistic, 3D, cartoon, impressionism, pixel art, minimalist, abstract, and chalk art. If you have a unique vision, you can also type in a custom style in the provided box. For this video, I'll go with the realistic style. After selecting the visual style, we have the upload a product or character reference option. This is where you can upload a product image if you're creating a product-focused video, or a character image if you want to generate a consistent animated character throughout the video. Since I'm working on a product video, I'll upload the product image here. First, I'll enter the product name in this box, followed by the product description. Now it's time to upload product images. You can add up to 4 images in this section to help the AI create a more detailed and visually appealing video. Now you'll need to describe your target audience, but this step is optional, so you can skip it if you'd like. Next, we'll set the video duration. You can create videos ranging from 20 seconds to 150 seconds long. Since I'm using the free trial version, I'll go with 20 seconds. However, if you're planning to create professional commercial ads, I highly recommend upgrading to the paid version for more flexibility. Alright, moving forward, we need to choose the aspect ratio. Right now, you can create videos in landscape or portrait mode, so pick the one that best fits your project. Now, let's talk about caption style. I personally don't use captions, so I'll turn this option off. Next, we need to select a voiceover, but for this project, it's not necessary, so I'll skip it. Then, choose a background music style to match the tone of your video. And finally, if you plan on making more videos like this in the future, you can save your settings as a custom template. This will save you a lot of time next time you create a video. Alright, once everything is set, it's time to hit the generate button. And there it is. AI video has started processing. It'll take a little time, so let's fast forward this part. Alright, our video is finally ready. Let's check it out.
Discover the new era of color and care. Introducing Color Riche Original. Choose your hue from our 4 houses of Color Riche. Reds, a confident woman in a power suit with a bold red lip. Berries, a chic, modern look with a vibrant mauve lip. Pinks, a playful, spirited scene with a bright pink pout. Nudes, a natural, refined beauty with a subtle, lips but better nude shade. Moisturize and protect with every swipe. Infused with 75% caring ingredients. Argan oil and vitamin E. For the ultimate lip look, start at the center, work outward, and finish with a gentle glide. Stay bold from morning to night, long-lasting, smudge-proof, feather-free, L'Oreal Paris, redefining beauty, one lip at a time, because you're worth it. Discover all 52 shades at your nearest beauty counter or online.
Wow, that looks absolutely stunning. It has created a professional quality commercial for the product. The scenes are on point, and it even incorporates real product footage beautifully. I've got to say, I'm really impressed. This is seriously an incredible product video. Now, if you want to download the video, simply click on the download icon right here. And if you need to make any edits, just click the edit button. This will take you to the video editing interface, which is essentially the advanced video generation tool we mentioned earlier. Here, you can do a lot more to refine your video. You can generate new visuals using AI, just like we discussed before. Then, in the voiceover section, you'll see the script. You can tweak the script, create a new voiceover, or even change the voice actor if you want a different style. Additionally, you can adjust the sound effects and background music to match the tone you're going for. And finally, at the bottom, you'll find the option to customize the captions if you'd like to add or modify them. There's another powerful AI-driven feature right at the top of the page called AI Edit. This tool lets you customize your video effortlessly using AI. Just type in a command and it does the work for you. For example, I'll type, "Create an amazing background music track for a beauty product commercial," and just like that, the AI instantly generates the perfect music. Now you can fine-tune your video using the timeline, just like you would with a professional video editing software. I'll go ahead and make a few adjustments. Take your time to tweak the video until it looks exactly the way you want. Once you're happy with everything, simply hit the export button to finalize your video. Alright, our video is officially ready. Let's check out the final result.
Discover the new era of color and care. Introducing Color Riche Original. Choose your hue from our 4 houses of Color Riche. Reds, a confident woman in a power suit with a bold red lip. Berries, a chic, modern look with a vibrant mauve lip. Pinks, a playful, spirited scene with a bright pink pout. Nudes, a natural, refined beauty with a subtle, lips but better nude shade. Moisturize and protect with every swipe. Infused with 75% caring ingredients, argan oil and vitamin E. For the ultimate lip look, start at the center, work outward, and finish with a gentle glide. Stay bold from morning to night, long-lasting.
Wow, this turned out absolutely amazing. It's a high-quality commercial that looks professional and polished. And remember, with a little extra effort and creativity, you can make it even more engaging. In conclusion, after trying out multiple AI video generators, I can confidently say that AI video is hands down one of the best tools for creating high-quality, informative videos. If you're looking to create something similar, I highly recommend giving it a shot. You'll find the link in the description. Now keep in mind, this is a paid tool, and pricing starts at just $19, which is honestly a solid deal considering the level of AI-powered video production you get. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video. But before we go, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about using AI for creating videos? Have you tried AI video yet? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more amazing AI-powered tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating, blast off!